In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content. In order for you to turn off Twitter sensitive content, you can only turn it off through the Twitter webpage, which is www.twitter.com. It cannot be turned off on the Twitter mobile app. So for you to turn off your Twitter sensitive content, all you need to do, guys, is to click on the star signal at the top right. Then you move to view content preference, you click on it. Then you click on search settings. Here you'll be meant to tick. If you want to turn it off, you can untick it. Hide sensitive content. As you can see, I've currently turned off my sensitive content. If I want to turn it on, I will retick it back and my sensitive content will be ticked on. So guys, I believe this video has been of great help to you. If you love this video, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up by liking this video. And if you encountered any problem from this video, kindly drop your comment on the comment section. Thank you guys, and see you in our next video.